Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.2 an encounter of a special kind from standard 10th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.2 an encounter of a special kind या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. Question number 1. State whether you agree or disagree with the following statements. Justify your choice with proper reasons. मित्रांनो, खालील वाक्यांशी तुम्ही सहमत आहात किंवा असहमत आहात ते सांगा आणि तुमचे उत्तर योग्य कारणासह सिद्ध करा. Question A. The compound where the writer was living rich in nature's bounty. Answer. I agree because it was a large campus with green grass, colorful flowers and tall trees. There were birds, squirrels and a group of langurs also. Next question. Question B. Holidays provide us an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Answer. I agree because during holidays children have more free time in which they can read various magazines and storybooks. Question C. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. Answer. I disagree because if the narrator have not saved the baby langur, it would have been killed by the male langur. Next question. Question D. Animals cannot convey emotions. Answer. I disagree because animals convey their emotions by changes in their posture, facial expression, eyes, gaze and vocalization. Dogs, horses and elephants are best example of it. Question E. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. Answer. I disagree because the narrator is now 70 years old and when this incident happened, he was 15 years old. Next question. Question number 2. Match the phrases given in group A with their meanings in group B. कॉलम A मध्ये दिलेले वाक्यप्रचार व कॉलम B मध्ये दिलेले त्यांचे अर्थ यांच्या योग्य जोड्या लावा. Answer. A. To be part and parcel of means to be an essential or integral part. B. To be engrossed in means to be completely occupied in. C. To take notice of means to observe and give attention. D. To figure out means to be able to solve a problem. E. To ponder over means to think about seriously. F. To be overwhelmed by means to be affected emotionally in a powerful way. G. In a flash means very quickly. And H. To find a solace means to find comfort and peace. Next question. Question number 3. Write in your own words. खालील प्रश्नांची तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात उत्तरे लिहा. A. Why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? लेखकाने कुत्र्यांच्या भुंकण्याकडे दुर्लक्ष का केले? Answer. The narrator ignored the barking of dogs because he thought that the pack of dogs, as usual, must have trapped an unfortunate pig. Question B. Why did Mother Langur make no effort to grab her baby from the coop? खुराड्यातील आपल्या पिलाला ताब्यात घेण्यासाठी आई वांढरीने कोणतीही हालचाल का केली नाही? Answer: because she was sure that the writer was not doing any harm to her baby, and whatever he was doing was for the good of the baby. Next question. Question number 4. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of happenings in the text in a sequential order. मित्रांनो, पाठाचे काळजीपूर्वक वाचन करा व खाली दिलेल्या घटना घडलेल्या क्रमानुसार मांडा. Answer: 1. I was engrossed in various magazines and storybooks. 2. I became deeply absorbed in the book. 3. I heard the disturbance approaching closer. 4. I saw something horrible. 5. I recalled the terrible custom in the clan. 6. I took the baby langur to the backyard. 7. I gathered a stout stick and then throwing stones. 8. I managed to catch hold of the baby tail. 9. I offered him a peeled banana. 10. I allowed the mother access to her baby. 11. I cannot forget that look in her eyes. 12. I was sure that food was not the means of communication. 13. I still fondly remember that encounter. Next question. Question number 5. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेले प्रश्न वाचा व त्या प्रश्नाची उत्तरे तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात 5 ते 6 ओळीत लिहा. Question A. What would you do if you find an injured bird while returning from your school? तुम्ही शाळेतून घरी परत येत असताना एखादा जखमी पक्षी सापडला तर काय कराल? Answer: I will lift the bird carefully and take it to my home. Then I will provide it first aid and clean its wounds. I will give it to eat and to drink. If it is still in serious condition, then I will take that bird to the vet. Question B. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? या कथेवरून लेखकाविषयी तुमचे मत काय आहे? Answer: The narrator of the story is very helpful, sensitive, sympathetic, loving and caring person. His qualities of humanity and courage are admirable. His thoughts about human-animal relations are very great. Next question. Question number 6. Complete the following and write a paragraph on each of the given activities. खाली दिलेले तक्ते पूर्ण करा व प्रत्येक तक्त्यावर एक परिच्छेद लिहा. मदर चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप. Answer: love and affection, kindness, care, nursing, trust and keeping healthy. Paragraph: the relationship between mother and child is most special relationship. Mother's love and affection for her child is selfless and invaluable. She loves her child without any expectations. She takes care of them, nurses them and works hard for her children's upbringing and keeping them healthy. She also teaches them moral values. Mother also gives inspiration and encouragement throughout their life. So, mother-child relationship is very wonderful and pleasant. Next question. Injured animal, how will you help? Answer: bring it home. Provide first aid. Provide water or food. Keep it in safe place. Take care of it. Answer. Paragraph: if I find an injured animal, I will bring it to my home carefully and take proper care of it. I will provide water and food to it and make a temporary shelter for it so that it feels safe and secure. Then I will provide it first aid and clear the wounds. I will take care of it till it is fully recovered. Next question. Question number 7. Work in pairs and make as many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. मित्रांनो, गटामध्ये कार्य करा व एन्काउंटर या शब्दापासून जास्तीत जास्त शब्द तयार करा. Answer 3 letter words: 10, net, not, hour, nut, toe, 1 and quad. 4 letter words: tour, tin, noun, note, none, rent, cute and coat. 5 or 6 letter words: enter, counter, count, court and root. Next question. Question number 8. Translate the following proverbs in English. खालील म्हणींचे इंग्रजीमध्ये भाषांतर करा. 1. जनसेवा हीच ईश्वर सेवा. Answer: सर्व्हिस टू मॅन इज सर्व्हिस टू गॉड. 2. पेरावे तसे उगवावे म्हणजे Answer: as you sow, so shall you reap. Next question. Question number 9. Write a paragraph and give an appropriate title to it. Use the following points. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांचा वापर करून एक परिच्छेद लिहा व त्याला योग्य शीर्षक द्या. Answer: birds and animals are best friend of human being. They are loyal to us and serve us in many ways. We must preserve our eternal relationship kindly and honestly. They are very much lovable and affectionate to humans, so we need to protect and secure them. We should take care of their security without hurting them. We must try to understand them with love, affection and help them in their needs. We can avoid our loneliness with the help of them. They are most lovable, kind and honest to us. Next question. Question number 10A. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. बातम्यांचे प्रकार ठरवा व खाली दिलेल्या तक्त्यामधील उर्वरित चौकटी पूर्ण करा. Answer: political news, national news, sports news, lifestyle news, economical news and business news. Next question. Question number B. Read the following headline and write a news report. Follow the steps as given. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेले शीर्षक वाचा व खाली दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांचा वापर करून एक बातमी तयार करा. Answer: headline: Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Borivali, June 23 by a staff reporter. In yet another incident at Rajiv Gandhi National Park, Borivali, an 8-year-old boy was attacked by a tiger yesterday. At around 9 in the morning, the boy was walking in the park with his parents. Suddenly, a tiger crouching behind a fence of the bushes and attacked the boy. But before he could do real damage, the authorities stepped in and managed to get tiger away from the boy. Fortunately, the boy was not seriously injured. This is the 4th incident that has happened this year. If necessary safety measures aren't taken soon enough, then the lives of the visiting shall remain at risk. Next question. Question C. Read the following headlines and write the dateline, intro and a short continuing paragraph. खाली दिलेले शीर्षक वाचा व दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांच्या सहाय्याने एक सलग परिच्छेद लिहा. Headline: Achievers narrate their success stories at career counseling events. Answer: career counseling with achievers. Friday 24th June, Adarsh High School, Kolhapur. Adarsh High School had organized the career counseling camp for the students of class 10 on 24th June 2022 at 4 p.m. Successful persons from different professions were invited to share their own experiences about their career and their success. They narrated their success stories in order to motivate students. They advised students that great success can be achieved by patience, constant efforts, and hard work. Students were greatly touched when they heard the heart-rending stories of some professionals who are now on top of the world. The students realized the importance of the career counseling event. Next question. India's first tourism industry to be established by IIHM. Answer: Mumbai, 24th June 2022. India's leading management and hospitality institute IIHM will soon be coming up with the country's first ever tourism university named IIHM University. IIHM is investing over 100 crores in setting up the university. It is the first university of its kind to offer full-time courses like tourism development, hospitality, tourism studies, ecotourism, and tourism in digital world. It aims to educate the students on functioning of tourism industry. The university aims to provide well-trained professionals to tourism industry. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.2 एन एन्काउंटर ऑफ अ स्पेशल काइंड या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.